Hello everyone, welcome to my second devlog centered around the VR welding experience. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 iterations I made last week for this project, and which one I chose for the final project. I would also like to cover the various bugs involved in the development of this interaction, and how I fixed them for package. The interaction I picked was the one that involves the bucket. The user hovers their hand over the bucket, and they spawn the menu selection system. The problem with this was that a lot of the times, the objects once they spawned were causing the menu system to disappear, when I didn't want it to disappear until the hand left the sphere around the top of the bucket. Now, to fix that, it was pretty simple once I looked at the code. I realized at the end overlap, there was no longer a CAS2 BP motion controller, or better yet, there never was one in the first place, so I decided to add one. I also had to make sure that I connected it correctly. After which, I found something even more interesting. Upon the testing, I realized that it blew up in my face completely. That might have been slightly dramatic. It didn't crash the project. Upon further research, I found out that there is a timeline node in every single one of my interactions, and I needed to go in and change the length to the actual length of the curve. When it's longer than the curve length, it causes the timeline to delay upon reverse or forward if you're not careful. So, once I did that, I was able to correctly spawn the blueprint, and then as soon as I removed my hand, it would disappear. I also noticed that once I did that, it fixed the button scaling issue from before, where they were delaying scaling as soon as I didn't overlap them anymore. This solved a multitude of problems with my system, as well as actors spawning where they shouldn't be, or not spawning where they should be. From this project, I learned a lot about timeline actors, as well as streamlined blueprint design. When I create systems, it makes it easier for me to tweak and add new things to this system that I'm currently using right now. Eventually, we're going to have to add a hammer and other tools to this inventory system. With the system I created, this is seamless. We can work in a new tool and it will only take 20 minutes at the most. I think that's what I'm most proud of with this system. It saves us a lot of time, and it helps us get the user to where they need to go using the tools they need to use. I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video, and I hope you have a nice week.